Big dreams calling, spotlight on me, chasing horizons, where will I be? Caught in the middle of hope and doubt, searching for meaning, finding my route. Confidence rises, then slips away, uncertain of how I'll make my own way. True direction I'm learning to find, balancing vision with a practical mind, standing tall in the face of unknown, turning ambition to seeds I've sown. Step by step my goals come clear. True direction drawing me near. Opportunity shimmer, tempting and bright, but roots keep me grounded, holding me tight. Sometimes frustration clouds up my view, but clarity grows as I see what's true. Focus and patience guide every move, aligning my actions with what I approve. Lessons in progress slowly revealed, long-term success by staying real. True direction I'm learning to find, balancing vision with a practical mind, standing tall in the face of unknown, turning ambition to seeds I've sown. Step by step my goals come clear. True direction drawing me near. With each decision